Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Tiffany's with me again. We are at the getaway house, if you can't tell, which you'll see lots of videos from. But this video is going to be tasting the new Truly Margarita pack. I believe these is brand new flavors. So we have strawberry hibiscus, classic lime. What do you got over there?
I got watermelon cucumber and then mango chili.
Okay.
So, and we all know Tiffany is a huge margarita person.
Oh, that's true.
So I'm excited.
So she's going to be the real judge here. And
so,
these are 5.3% alcohol. So, which flavor do you want to do first?
Ooh, watermelon.
Do you want to get the classic one out of the way?
Sure.
Ooh, watermelon. So anyways, this is what it looks like. If it's, I don't know if it's focusing.
Yeah, kind of.
See, I really am looking forward to these. I think they're going to be good.
I actually enjoy.
Ooh, it really smells like a margarita. Oh, it takes me back to Mexico.
Mexico is only 118 days away. Okay, so
Tiffany's turn. I think it's good.
anything margarita is delicious to me.
Oh my god, these are really good.
I know. I'm super excited.
That's good. Alright, now we can do your watermelon cucumber.
There we go. So, I'm a huge watermelon person. Does it smell it?
Yeah. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like summer.
It does.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm back.
That was like the ugliest laugh I think I've ever done.
Oh my god, that's so good. That is so good. I like it.
I think I like that lime one better, but this one is.
Well, then I can take the watermelon one home.
I didn't say I didn't like it. I just said I like the lime one better.
Or I'll just drink them all while I'm here. No, just kidding.
Okay, next one. Strawberry hibiscus. Focus on this thing. Not Tiffany or me. So yeah, I picture this to taste like a flower. A strawberry flower. Guys, we're not drunk either. This is the first sip of alcohol we've had all day. Ooh, it smells really good.
Yeah?
No footsie with me?
Yes.
It matches your pajamas.
Oh, it does. Truly sponsor me.
First it was GoPro, now it's Truly. GoPro sponsor me. It's good.
It's good.
Reminds me
I like the water. It reminds me of a strawberry daiquiri.
I was gonna say, oh yeah, you're right. I was gonna say a Starburst. But
Oh, that too.
Alright, last up. Mango chili.
It's so like. This is focused on me. Here.
Yeah, sorry guys.
Camera's focused
Worst
on.
YouTube video ever.
That's the best one. Alright.
I'm a little afraid of this one.
I do not like mango.
I don't either. Or chili.
Well, I'm sure it doesn't taste like chili.
But the thing is, the ones that I always think are going to be horrible end up being my favorite ones.
Like that beer one that we tasted.
Oh, yeah.
Dorado.
Yeah, I'll link that video. We tasted all the drinks at the resort, and the one drink that we thought was going to be the worst was actually one of my favorites. It was, what was it, beer?
I don't remember.
Lime?
It was lime beer,
something?
champagne maybe.
I can't remember what was in it. Go watch the video because at the for each drink at the bottom, I wrote down the ingredients of what was in it.
Yeah, that one was good. But I am not a mango fan, so we'll see. Oh, it's the smell of it.
Just get it.
Nope. Oh. I don't like mango.
I mean,
Yeah. No.
I'm not sure. Excuse me.
Hey, it contains 2% juice.
It is very sweet tasting though.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's a little spicy at the end.
Mm-hmm. I just...
Alright, so, tried all 4 of them now.
Bring them up.
Tiffany, which one is your favorite?
Watermelon.
Wow, that is a little spicy in my throat.
I
I think
love-
I like the classic one the best.
I like watermelon.
Okay, which is your least favorite? I agree.
Mango.
Yeah, I agree.
I don't like that one at all.
Alright, so guys, let us know down below if you have tried these new margarita flavors yet, and let us know what you thought of them. So yeah, we're gonna drink these, and we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe because we've got a lot more coming from the Getaway House, if it's not already posted. But if it is, we also have a lot of Mexico stuff that will be coming up later this year. So,
And then, guess what?
oh yeah, Antarctica.
Antarctica!
We've got Antarctica coming
Argentina and Antarctica.
up later this year as well. So,
Fingers crossed on that.
as long as it doesn't get canceled again. So, that's what you have to look forward to.
Yes.
So, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.